Welcome to the Hard channel. Today I'll show you how to customize quick launch on the Samsung Galaxy A72. So first just open settings, scroll down and press this button in the corner. Next scroll down and find the advanced features menu. Here click on side button. And here you can customize what to do when you press the side button. Let's configure it to open Google Chrome, for example. Press on this gear button here. First select it. And then look for the app, Google Chrome for instance. Now let's see if it works. And it does. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the Hard channel for more videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.